There's someone walking in this crazy rain. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. He probably got stuck in it. Anyway, if you're watching this video, God bless you bunches. I am stuck in the rain. I'm on my way home from work. Except I was going to stop at the grocery store. I had to pull over into this parking lot. Because it is coming down torrentials. Torrential, really heavy rainfall. There's lightning and thunder. So, it was just a little coming down a little too heavy for me to drive in. That poor guy. He got caught in the rain, bless his heart. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it starts to die down soon. It looks like it wants to, but it's not going to actually. Hope it starts dying down here in the next few minutes so I can go to the store. I don't need it to stop completely. I just need it to slow down. But knowing Florida weather, it's gonna slow down and stop, in a minute. Whoa, Bobby! Whoa! Yeah. So I am in my truck. I am away from the sides, like they say you're supposed to do. And, yeah. Alright. It's still raining. Don't go driving. Okay. Well, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe if it's raining where you are. Hey! You in the red car. It's raining.